Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Deborah, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make profitable push campaigns on Zeropark. I'm going to show you some simple steps of what it takes to get started on Zeropark or running push notification campaigns. So with that being said, guys, make sure you stay tuned. Hi guys, so let's get started with this brief walkthrough of how to make profitable push campaigns on Zeropark. I'm just going to give you a brief slideshow on what kind of things you want to look for to be able to set up these profitable push campaigns and really start to begin your online money making journey. So first things first, if you don't know what push campaigns are, basically what it is you're setting up push notification traffic. So you're using push traffic from places like Zeropark. We also talk about in other videos Propeller Ads, Mega Push, places like that, where you're able to set up these push notification campaigns that send out to different people in any specific location that you're really trying to target. And basically it sends a notification. I'm sure you guys have got them yourselves, either on your mobile phones is where it's really popular. And you're starting to also see them as well on desktops. So it's something that you can really take advantage of as a CPA marketer, or even with affiliate marketing, and even businesses in general use them to help scale their businesses and make money online. So for us, the way that we would use these is we would use them for CPA offers or maybe some ClickBank affiliate offers where we're either sending out products that we think people would be interested in, or maybe sweepstake offers, trying to get them to sign up for something simple, win a trip somewhere or gift cards. So with this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of basically what to look for when you're trying to find an offer for these push notification campaigns. What kind of traffic sources are going to be best? Of course, Zeropark is the main traffic source that we're going to be talking about in this video. However, I will give you a little backup in case, or I'll just tell you basically kind of what we do. So let's just go ahead and get started and go on to the next slide. I'm going to go ahead and go next. So basically how to find offers on CPA networks. When you're looking for CPA offers to promote with push traffic, you're going to want to look for some offers that are very broad. You're going to want offers that appeal to a lot of people. You're going to want them to be able to apply to both males, females, the younger people, the older generation. You just want it to be broad. So for example, some good verticals or good offers that you could do for this would be, again, sweepstake offers. So you could do sweepstake offers like the grocery gift cards, the retail stores like some of the Amazon stuff you guys see, Walmart stuff. Those things are enjoyed by all of the demographics that I told you a minute ago. So males, females, younger, older, they all love the grocery store, they all love retail stores, they all love Amazon. And then traveling, everyone loves to travel, electronics, making money online. All of these things are great examples of offers that you can promote with push notifications. Some other offers kind of outside of the sweepstake verticals that we see getting taken use of with push notifications is going to be verticals such as dating. You see a lot of dating offers on there, a lot of gambling offers, gambling casino type offers, gaming, so you kind of casino into that too. The making money online, like I just said, everyone wants to make money. A lot of people want to make money online specifically. I mean, who doesn't, right? And then also trading. You see a lot of cryptocurrency, forex offers, things like that on there as well. So another thing to think of when you're doing these offers and you're looking to promote them across these push notification networks is you're going to want to maybe think about what geos are a little easier for you. So geos that are just easier in general, maybe they have lower cost per click. Maybe they are all English languages, so you don't necessarily have to translate your copy like you would with some of the other ones. Things like that. So some of these places include Singapore, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, Of course, those are the ones that are English that are a little easier, but if you are maybe from, let's say, maybe you're from Italy, you know Italian, you know, maybe take a look at some of those offers as well. Sometimes those could be a little easier to compete with just because not a lot of people, for example, like me, I don't know Italian. A lot of times I don't like to go out of the way to translate the vertical, even though it is a good idea, and when I do it, I tend to find more success. It's just more work, you know what I mean? So things like that are things that you want to take in account as well. So let's go to the next slide. The next thing is basically when you're setting up these profitable push campaigns on Zeropark, you're going to want to set up a tracker. You're going to want to be able to do that because you're going to want to take a look at any detail that you might getting in, any data that you might getting in from Zeropark. So that way you can analyze these details like the CTR, the click-through rate, the cost per click, your ROI, all types of metrics that you can take a look at within your volume tracker that'll be able to help you not only analyze and see any missed opportunities that you have, it'll let you know if these campaigns are scalable or if you should just kill them and not worry about them and spend money on them anymore. So having a tracker is definitely a valuable asset. We use Volume Tracker. It's a great tracker to use. It's really easily integratable with a lot of these traffic networks and affiliate networks. So it doesn't require a ton of setup. And a lot of our videos, you can see us get through it pretty quickly because it's really not as hard as you think it is. So that's something else that you're going to want to do to be able to have a profitable push campaign because you're going to really need to be able to scale these and optimize your campaigns. And all of these metrics are going to be metrics you're going to want to look at to see where you can improve. So that's that. Let's go over to the next slide. This slide here is basically where to run my push campaigns. Obviously, Zeropark is what this video is mainly about. Zeropark is a great push traffic network. They have a super large traffic sources. They let you do optimizations of targets and sources and all types of stuff to really break down your traffic. One thing with Zeropark that you may run into with this large traffic source is you might spend your budget quickly, a lot more quicker than you maybe would on some of the other networks, or let's say maybe you did Facebook ads in the past. Zeropark has a ton of traffic, so until you really start optimizing, excluding some of the zones out that might not be beneficial for it, you might start spending a lot more up front. But again, because they have such a large traffic source, Zeropark is a great company for scalability. So typically what we like to do is we like to start our offers more on a lower, not lower, but another traffic source. I like to typically start on propeller ads. I think they have really good quality traffic for the traffic that they send my offers. They convert really well, typically for any offer that I promote. And it really lets me know if the campaign overall is going to be a good campaign to run and if I should even scale it to begin with. And typically what I'll do at that point, if it's profitable on propeller ads or if I like what I'm seeing, then I'll go ahead and move over to Zeropark since they have a huge traffic source. And I'll start blasting it and really trying to scale the campaigns that way. And that's really how you become profitable, guys. You're really going to want to take a look at all these different things that we went over here today, and especially the volume tracker, because that's what's going to help you be able to really monetize everything and really optimize and scale, find those missed opportunities, and really bring you to the next step. So I hope you guys found some great information in this. I hope this helped maybe clear up some things that you guys are wondering. And with that being said, guys, I hope to see you guys in the next one.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.